Welcome fellow traders to another training session with BestBull. In the previous video, we discussed order mode in history section. Today, we will be discussing the financial standing bar. The green bottom line you see here represents the financial standing bar, which provides information about your balance, equity, and available margins. Let's delve into each of these aspects. To begin, click on the option labeled status bar in the settings. This setting allows you to display various elements. Show GMT offset reveals your time zone. Show time displays your current time. Show asset value presents your account's profit and loss. Show total value showcases the value of your open positions, and show margin level indicates the level of your margin. Once you have made your selections, click the submit button. Now, let's examine the different components: balance, total P&L, credit, equity, and used margin. Currently, the total P&L is showing 0. The total P&L represents the profit or loss of your running open positions and the scaled positions where you have incurred profit or loss. The value is reflected in the balance. Let's clarify this with an example. Suppose we are a Bitcoin position. As you can see, the P&L matches the total P&L, indicating that they are in sync. When you enter a trade, the commission is deducted upfront. Here, the open commission is shown as 2.7, which has already been subtracted. You can verify this by comparing the entry time, which is 23:37 in this case. Both the commission in the history and the current time align. Therefore, the commission is deducted from the balance, and the ongoing P&L contributes to the total P&L. The balance reflects the net result of completed trades, while the credit represents any funds provided by the company. The equity represents the remaining balance in your account, signifying its current value. The used margin, visible here, indicates the portion of margin utilized for trading. The free margin, which is yet to be utilized, is also displayed. The margin level percentage represents the available margin level. As the margin level drops below 100% and approaches -5%, your account faces the risk of being margin called if the margin call level is set to 95%. This is how the system operates. Additionally, the total value of your holdings is shown, which aligns with the displayed value. In summary, your account's worth is determined by the balance and the opening P&L, which contribute to your equity. As you can see, the time zone and time are currently being displayed. I hope it is now clear what the financial standing bar represents. If you no longer wish to display the total value and margin level, simply click on them and submit the changes. Thank you for watching our video. For more engaging content, stay tuned.